This is Keep On Pushing TV with Devon Harris,
a member of the U.S. men's rowing team, and we'd finished fourth. I saw that as a huge, colossal failure, frankly. And for roughly the next year and a half, I really viewed that that position as a failure, which thus meant I was a failure. I just had this kind of gear grinding and this just like unease in everything I was doing. Does this seriously define me? And do I want it to define? But changed my relationship with not only that moment, but with the concept of failure. Now, for me, failure, or what most people would call a failure, I see truly as more of a learning opportunity and an experience, as opposed to an actual failure that has set me back and holding me back.